Motors family, this is the 1996 Honda StepWagon. It has 54,926 original miles. It is powered by the reliable B20B 2.0 liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine with an automatic transmission. This vehicle does have 2 doors, 1 rear sliding door and 1 rear hatch as well. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. All right, we are going to go ahead and take a look at the dash. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. As y'all can see, that is the kilometers, 88,396. The miles on it again is 54,926. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. We'll start with the driver's side. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are at the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to call. We would love to answer your questions. We really do appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for the continual support. I hope y'all have a blessed and safe day.